Swara, it's very late. Come on, please.
Coming. Take this. Your phone, purse, car keys.
Okay, fine. And what about the lunchbox and tiffin?
Oh, yes, I forgot. I will just bring it. Take this. Your lunch, water.
Swara, what's all this? A bottle without a cap and a lunchbox without a lid?
Yeah, so? What happened?
Nothing happened. You tell me something. Are you upset with something I said?
Me? No.
Then what's all this? Did I bring you here to make fun of me early in the morning? There's no cap for this and no cap for that. What's going on, man?
Hey, I'm not joking. Take it like this now. What happened?
Swara, what are you saying? How can I take it away? Tell me one thing. If I keep this bottle in my bag and it falls by mistake, my laptop will be ruined. And about this lunchbox, if I carry it in the car will get dirty and my clothes will get dirty too.
Yaar, I give you food daily properly. If you will take it like this one day, what will be the problem?
It's not a new thing. Just pack it the way you give me food every day.
No, today you have to take it like this.
Man, what are you saying? Just pack it the way you give me food every day. Okay? So that I can safely take this lunchbox and water bottle.
Really? You care about tiffins and water bottle safety so much. If it will fall down, then all your clothes will be ruined. Have you thought about your safety then?
My own safety? What do you mean? I don't understand.
I saw you yesterday. You were driving in so much speed. You were not wearing seat belt. Do you know? Looking at you, I got so upset. But when I saw you, you were completely careless.
It's nothing like that. Sometimes I have to drive like this. I was already late for the work. And if I was late for work, I'd get scolded by my boss. And because of that, I'd be in a bad mood. And then I'd waste the day.
Sagar, where you are getting 10 minutes late, you can get 5 minutes late more. I understand that it's important to reach on time. But more than this, it's important that you reach safely. Tell me one thing. You know this very well. If water bottle cap is not there, there are more chances that water will fall. Things can get ruined, laptop can get damaged, car can get ruined. But you haven't thought about yourself that you drive car in so much over speed. If something will happen with you then? And tell me one thing. If you would have got a fine then?
No, man. It's nothing like that. And I'd never get any fine. And the road I take the same road every.
Really? Means if you will follow rules? Then because of the fear of fine and police, you haven't thought about your safety?
Oh, man. Why are you thinking so much? And anyway, I've been driving since I was 16 years old. Nothing has happened till now. What will happen now, man? Crazy.
Sagar, life is very uncertain. And don't try to consider your foolishness, your intelligence. Tell me one thing. The way you are driving car, if I will drive like that then, over speeding, talking on phone without seatbelt, if something will happen to me, how much upset you will get? Now think about how much I'm worried about you. You go in the morning, I stay at home whole day thinking about you. Every day we watch on TV accident cases, on social media there are accident cases. I know how much I feel bad. Sagar, your safety is in your hands only. So please, think about yourself.
Okay, fine. Now I know why you deliberately didn't give me the bottle's cap and the lunchbox cap. Because you wanted to explain everything to me, right? Okay, fine. I've understood everything. And yes, I'll limit my off-road driving. I'll drive as fast as the speed limit on this road. And as far as traffic rules, I'll always follow them. Whether the police is standing or not. I promise you.
Thank God you understood. I just wanted that you will take care of yourself. Because we are also with you.
Okay, fine, my Lady Gaga. If you are done with your speech, then bring the cap. I'm already getting late.